This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. I'm Scott Norse with your Forex Report. Today is Friday, July 20th, 2007. Well, the dollar continued its journey lower this week, falling to new multi-year lows against the majority of its counterparts. While several economic reports beat expectations, the technical picture indicates a one-way street lower for the buck. Among this week's indicators that surprised to the upside were Empire Manufacturing, TIC data, industrial production, CPI, and housing starts. There were actually very few numbers that missed forecasts. However, the greenback found absolutely no support from these releases. Instead, most traders gave Ben Bernanke their undivided attention as he testified before the House and Senate on Wednesday and Thursday. In his semi-annual testimony, the Fed chairman reiterated that the primary concern among voting members of the FOMC is still inflation. However, Bernanke also acknowledged the troubles in housing and lending as a threat to the economic growth in coming quarters. Going into further detail, the Fed had also voiced concern that an extended housing recession could ultimately weigh on consumer spending. This is, of course, alarming to traders as consumer spending makes up more than two-thirds of economic growth in the United States. We believe these comments could linger in the minds of traders as they question whether to take the dollar lower again next week. We also believe the Fed's inflation-fighting rhetoric has lost all ability to support the greenback, and traders are now far more concerned with the deteriorating view on growth. Now to the big picture. The Fed is officially between a rock and a hard place, and the U.S. economy will need to guide itself through what could become tough times. Ben Bernanke and company are now expected to leave interest rates on hold for the longest period in decades